Oh, we're not going to do number 2 from the test. So number 2 on the retest is Chandra's working as a waitress. She earns $5.50 per hour plus tips. Last week, Chandra worked 4 days for 5.5 hours each. Her tips totaled $135. Find her gross pay. So formula, gross pay equals her tips plus her rate times her hours. So her tips is $135. Her rate is $5.50 per hour. She gets less than minimum wage because she's going to get tips. And then her hours is a little more complicated on these because we got to do a multiplication here because this is a weekly paycheck, right? So we have to do our 4 days times the 550. So remember, if you're doing this on a simple calculator, you have to do PEMDAS. So multiply first, then add. Desmos, you could just type it in, but I'm going to do it assuming that we're on a simpler calculator. So you would do the 550 times 4 times 5.5. Just coincidence that those are the same. That she's getting that much per hour and that she worked that many hours. Just a coincidence. So we have 135 plus 121. And we add those together. And we get 256. If you're on Desmos or you're on a calculator that does PEMDAS automatically, you could just type that in. But be careful if you're using your phone, because if it does the 135 plus the 550 first, you're going to get a wrong answer. All right. Watch this as many times as you need, take as many notes as you need, and then try the question from the test again.